Photographer had a plane drop water on top of this couple during a wedding photo shoot.
Do you speak Spanish?
Yes, you can apply that.
Okay, cool. Can I get number 6?
You just asked me if I speak Spanish for no reason.
Basically, but can I get number 6?
Someone decorated their house with Christmas lights, and the most over-the-top way possible. A fisherman gave this pelican a big hug. Do you think this dog is guilty of knocking over the garbage can?
Reese! Reese, you are in so much trouble.
Here's an angry cat and makes sounds like a car starting up. In case you didn't know, this is what an electric violin looks like. If the conditions are perfect during a sunset, something interesting can happen. Just before the sun disappears over the horizon, the sun will suddenly look green. This happens because the Earth's atmosphere will separate the light from the sun into different colors. These amazing shots is captured by explorer who climbed a mountain in Italy. This son told his mom that he heard a strange noise when suddenly an old tree came falling down. All we're asking for is a little privacy when we're in the bathroom stall. If you live in the northern hemisphere, you should be able to see this bright comet flying across the night sky from now until July 23. This horse was not happy that a chicken was sitting in its food bucket.
Mama.
grab food from his automatic feeder as if the machine will take it back. This lion found a jackal those pretending to be dead. The lion was eventually fooled, and the jackal escaped from the situation. This leopard got scared by this bird that was flying by. This fire truck was passing by this car when it suddenly burst into flames. Within a few seconds, the fire was completely under control. These parents wanted their baby to see what they have to put up with. This person went to the pet store and found this sad dying fish. She took it home and gave it the love and care it needed. The fish started to get healthier and happier and began to transform into a bright orange color. This guy wanted to see what would happen if he said no to everything.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't want any of that. No. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's it. Okay, thank you.
This cat loves to go on trips in a boat, or when they get home, the cat can't wait to get out. This poor guy was trying to slide cash through a card reader. And that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.